In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp images not showing in the gallery on your iPhone. This problem can be frustrating, but there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve it. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Storage and Data. Now you'll see a section called Media Auto Download, and everything is set to off, which means that photos, audio, videos, and documents sent to you are not automatically saved to your iPhone's storage. This could be why you're not seeing them in your gallery. To fix the issue of WhatsApp images not showing in the gallery on your iPhone, tap Photos. Then select whether you want to auto-download photos using Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. Select your preferred option. You can also do the same thing for other options as well. Once you've done that, go back. Tap Chats. And then toggle on the switch next to the Save to Photos option. This will ensure that all future photos you receive on WhatsApp will be automatically saved to your phone's photo gallery. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.